Hey, what's up, everybody? It's college food review. Just kidding. This is regular food review. We're not in college anymore. But Cade isn't here. He's, there he is. Hi, Cade.
All right. Let's get more buns. A lot of bread. All right, I'm sweating.
It's only bread.
These are different buns. These are original hamburger buns. Why would they serve hamburger? Why would they sell hamburger buns that aren't cooked? What is the meaning of that? This is a lot of buns. A lot of bread.
There's no room for any meat. It's all buns. It's only bread. This is a bakery. It's not a hamburgery. It's not college food review anymore. It's just food review.
Dude, why are they not like... What is the meaning? Are like these guys cooked? Is these hotter? Yeah, what the heck? What is the meaning?
It's only bread. It's only bread. It's only bread.
All right, we're done. Onions. Yeah. You probably actually could have used more onions. Oh no. Only a burger master can do that.
Other restaurants, they'll take off the onions from the grill before putting the burger meat. But here, we don't even care.
Oh yeah.
We don't even care.
Oh yeah.
We don't even care.
Oh yeah.
We don't even...
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
That doesn't work as well as I thought.
You just smashed it. Oh, these ones are okay.
Billy, how many burgers do you want?
I'll probably have a couple.
Then I'll make a few without cheese.
Yes, please, thank you.
This guy doesn't like cheese, by the way.
Why don't you want cheese on your burger?
I don't like the taste of cheese.
You don't like cheese?
I don't. The taste of cheese.
Oh.
Let's check out some of these guys.
Oh yeah.
That's like a perfect color.
Oh yeah.
This is making these. This is like a modeling magazine, dude.
Yeah.
Look at this. Tell me this doesn't go hard.
Burgerz Weekly.
Oh,
That's a good one.
let's check the baby out. Oh no, baby, you suck.
That one sucks.
Cheese.
What is that? What is that?
It's called a little something called cheese. Have you ever heard of it?
Cheese. I think I know someone who's gonna have a problem with that.
Yeah, I bet he will.
Looks like a cheese tornado went off of here.
Shut up. Oh shit, my camera's all...
We forgot to record any footage of us eating or reviewing the burgers from a few days ago.
Yeah.
So we're doing it now. Well, we're not eating the burgers now, but we can review them.
They were good because of that.
Yeah.
Crazy couch cooking, yeah. Crazy couch cooking, yeah. Crazy couch cooking, yeah. Crazy